Hello everyone and welcome to NG Platinum Luxury, and today's review is going to be about Humphrey Munson in London, and they are a handmade kitchen manufacturer, and I want to talk a little bit about my experience that I had there and give you some information on that. So they had a brand new showroom that was opening up that I was able to go see pretty much just about a week before they opened. And let me tell you something, if you want a traditional luxury handmade English kitchen, you definitely need to go to Humphrey Munson because they have such special techniques that they use, everything from painting to handmade hinges and hardware that they only get from Joseph Giles, to the process of how they go from the design all the way to installation of the kitchen. You definitely need to go to Humphrey Munson if you're looking for that specialty luxury handmade English kitchen. I can't stress that enough. So when I visited Humphrey Munson's showroom, I met with Louisa Egglestone, and she is a great person. Not only does she know every detail about all of the products, from the paint to the hinges, the paint colors, exactly what everything is, she is very knowledgeable and very helpful when it comes to the whole process of design and information about everything that they have. So I love that. And they also have custom furniture there that you can get from them. We actually sat in some of their bar stools, and she told me a little bit about the story about the design process on that and how it took them 6, 7, 8, I think 10 attempts to get it right, where they wanted to have it functional, luxury, beautiful looking, but have a special lumbar support. So they really go into detail in making sure that all of their products, their customers are going to be happy with. And with somebody like myself that has back problems, I think that the attention to detail on that specific piece just for a chair is really amazing, that a company can sit there and take that detail into consideration. So I love that. Now, if you are any of my followers in the US that you would like to see their showroom if you visit London, or if you are a London follower, and now I know I have quite a few of those, definitely check out Humphrey Munson. You will not be disappointed. So until next time, stay tuned for my next review. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.